beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious tilapia fillet full with cilantro dressing that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: I have Himalaya salt, black pepper, garlic powder, chili flakes, Mexican oregano, garlic cloves, apple vinegar, butter, olive oil, cilantro, onion, 1 red bell pepper, and of course the star, the tilapias. This is everything we need to prepare these amazing and delicious tilapias with cilantro dressing. So let's get started. I want to start here with my veggies. I have washed them and rinsed them very good through running water. I have 1 whole bell pepper, 1 onion, and a bunch of cilantro. And now I am ready to just chop away. You don't need to chop it very small. We are going to put it in a blender. But to help my blender, I'm going to go ahead and just chop it like this. And look at this. Now I am ready to transfer it to the same plate. Now I have my onion here, which I'm going to slice the same way, just so the blender doesn't work too hard to blend all these delicious ingredients. Look at this. Of course, the cilantro, I took the edges, the little edges of the cilantro, and now I am ready to chop away. And it really doesn't take too long. Once this is done, well, let's continue with our garlic cloves. I have 4 garlic cloves that I'm going to smash, and then I'm going to dice it really good so that they really incorporate and release all those delicious flavors into this delicious and amazing cilantro sauce. Look at this. This is done. Now I have my NutriBullet here. I'm going to add all the cilantro first, and then the garlic. If you love garlic like I do, you guys are going to love this dressing. I'm going to add my apple vinegar. I'm going to add my Mexican oregano, my olive oil, and of course, remember, the salt is to taste. And now that I have everything on my blender, let's blend it completely. Look at all these beautiful and amazing colors. It really doesn't take too long. Let's blend it, and when everything is really incorporated, then it's done. Look at this. This sauce really is nice and thick, nice and chunky. You guys are going to love it. Now I'm ready to just pour it on my plate and have it ready. Look at this. The texture is really creamy, really thick, and that's exactly how you want it. You want to coat your fillets right on the top with this delicious and amazing sauce. I added the chili flakes, and now look at the texture. The smell is amazing. You guys are going to love it. My home is already smelling delicious. I can't wait to start with the tilapias. You know that tilapias really cook really fast. This is a dish that is not going to take too long to prepare, and it's perfect for this hot weather. Look at this. Okay, this is perfect. Now I am ready to start with my tilapias. I have some napkins right on the bottom so that they are nice and fresh and they're not too wet. I am going to add some salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. This is what I'm going to use to add it right on the top of my tilapias. Look at this. I'm going to add on the top both sides so they start absorbing the delicious flavor of the black pepper, garlic, and salt. Remember, the salt is to taste. These tilapias really don't take too long to cook, but you want them nice and crispy. This is the part that takes a little longer time. Preparing your sauce, your cilantro sauce, and then your tilapias. This dinner is going to be so delicious and amazing that my family is already walking to the kitchen, finding out if I'm almost done with this amazing recipe. Look at this. Okay, now we are ready to go to the stove and start cooking our tilapias. The pan is nice and hot and I'm adding my butter. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter and I'm going to add my tilapias right in the center. Remember, don't be flipping your tilapias too much. Put them, and when they are about 2 minutes in each side, because you want them really crispy, but yet you want to make sure that you don't overcook them and they start falling apart. That's exactly what you don't want. These tilapias really come out so amazing with the cilantro sauce that I know you guys are going to love it. Look at this. The butter really coats the tilapias and the tilapia really absorbs the delicious flavor of the butter. What doesn't taste delicious with butter? I am going to continue cooking the rest of the tilapias and getting these two nice and crispy. Removing them one by one until I am done. Once I am done, I'm going to add half an onion chopped. And to this, the onion is really going to absorb all those leftovers ingredients of the tilapia. I'm adding the cauliflower. I'm going to add some broccoli. And the cauliflower and the broccoli really going to absorb all those delicious drippings of the tilapia. The butter, it barely has a little bit of butter, but you know something? The little bit of butter that it has really coated all these veggies. I'm adding a little bit of salt. I'm just going to incorporate it. I'm going to cover it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to open it and again incorporate everything so they get kind of crispy, kind of golden brown. And once I really incorporate them, then I'm going to cover them for 2 more minutes and then I'm ready. I am ready to prepare my plate. But first, let's make the plate for the presentation. Look at this. This looks amazing. My home smells delicious and I can't wait to dig in. Look at this. This sauce is good for so many dishes that once you try it, you guys are really going to fall in love with this delicious cilantro sauce. Look at this. I am ready to prepare my plate. We are going to enjoy it with lots of veggies. And of course, lots of this delicious cilantro sauce. This is my plate. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to dig in. I can't wait to be done with the presentation so that I could enjoy it nice and hot. I'll see you in a little bit. Friends, I am completely done with this delicious and amazing tilapia, especially with the dressing of the cilantro right on the top. Well, this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, you could add some rice. You could add salad. I added some veggies. And this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out, especially with this amazing sauce. Excuse me. Perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you make it a try. You make it with your family. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you so much for being here and being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.